Welcome. Uh, Late entry, but back on trading again. Second day of the trading week. I hope that you guys were there. I was late, long traffic jam, but at the end of the day, I'm here. I hope that some of you are still in trading. So, though we are late, but still the market is running. We can see that XAU USD from this level, there was a significant bounce. And with that bounce, what we can expect now, XAU USD to remain in the major direction of the trend. So I had a trade yesterday with the community. Also, we will be discussing on the trade. Currently, we see that gold reversed with this gap open. Without filling that gap, the market had a significant reversal. I would like to see all of you guys, how you are doing. Let me know if you are here. Thank you very much. Hello, sir. Welcome. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you. So looking at, we can see that from the bigger picture perspective, I will be first of all doing a multi-time frame analysis to see overall picture in the market. Now from the monthly, if we look at on XAUUSD, we can see that from this level, there was a huge bounce followed by this pullback, and this is the monthly pullback on XAUUSD, and we can see the price currently after this pullback. We can see that this is now again having a rejection because it's a long-term bull market. We could see potentially further continuation or drop. Let's figure it out or try to find out which way exactly the market might be heading. We will be looking for one by one to see how we can do. And also later today, CAD news coming. We might see also the significant movement in the market to see how the price might be doing with a CAD as well. So that also will have an impact on dollar, on XAUUSD, as there is also the CAD news coming. So looking at monthly, we can see there is a rejection. Looking at the weekly chart, from the weekly, we can see that from here, there is a bounce with a gap open on the weekly perspective on XAUUSD. And with that gap open, what we can see that from here, this is significant bounce on XAUUSD. And with that bounce, if we look at weekly, we can see that from the weekly, from here, so far significant bullish, and we may see that the price is moving back to the upside. Now looking at the daily chart to see how the price might be doing, we can see that from the daily, this is the daily drop here on XAUUSD. From this level, there is a significant drop, followed by, we can see that there is a movement here to the upside. And with that movement on gold, we can see that today, so far, the market opened with a gap. And after opening with this gap, we have seen the market has made this move so far, and it's still pushing high. We may see that the price continuing to the upside for longer term picture on XAUUSD. Now looking at the 4 hour, we can see that we had a trade yesterday from this level on the lower time frame. If we look at the 1 hour, we can see that it's a very organized uptrending market structure. From here, we have opened a trade, and the market in fact has gone and to the TP target as well. So we can see that the market in fact it's still moving back to the upside. So if we look at again the daily 20 EMA is coming up here, and with the daily 20 EMA, what we can expect in this market is this is the daily bullish price action in that area, and with a gap open, there is a bounce pullback. The market is forming series of higher high and higher low, which is in an uptrending market. And with that uptrend, as the market trend is up, we can expect for this price to continue to rise. On the lower time frame, we can expect for the market to continue to rise to create a new higher high. So let's see where it is heading, and based on that, we can look for potential trading opportunity in this market. Now, if we look at the 1 hour chart, we can see that it's bullish, and with that bull market, we can expect now further continuation, as after a long time the market has a reversal. We could see that XAUUSD keep pushing high to create a new higher high. Now, looking at the 4-hour time frame on XAUUSD, it's a very strongly bull market starting from here with this gap open, a bounce pullback. The market is forming series of higher high and higher low, which is in an uptrending market, and we saw that there was a gap open, and with that gap open, we can expect for the price to come down for a deeper pullback and then to continue to rise again to create a new higher high. This is a previous support here, turning resistance. Therefore, lower time frame breakout structure can give us potential trading opportunity on XAUUSD. We can see the market is still trending in that direction. So if we look at here, we can see that greeting, welcome. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for joining the live session. Good morning. Hi, coach. How are you? I'm good. Thank you very much. Welcome, Joinal, and very much appreciate your support to the channel, guys. And yes, thank you for joining. And any question, let me know if you have any question. Absolutely. I'll try to get back all the answer as much as I can. So looking at now, with this bounce on XAUUSD, we can see the price has made its move. And if we look at, let's look at also euro dollar. Looking at the euro dollar, we can see that there is a rejection here on euro dollar. If we look at the daily, this is also, we can see that quite a few days euro dollar was in a downtrend. Now the market is bouncing from this level on euro dollar. So is this the price also on euro dollar is reversing, or it is breaking again? That's what we need to look for to see how the market might do on euro USD. So with that being said, what we can see on euro dollar, this is euro dollar, and we can see the price was forming series of higher low with long wick candle, expecting for the market to trend in that direction to create a new higher high. So looking at euro dollar, we can see that the price from this support level, there is a we can see that there is a rejection here on euro USD, and expecting what I think that the price may continue to rise again to create a new higher high. And with that in mind, what we can expect on euro dollar also to potentially to change its trend. Again, going back to XAUUSD to see where it might be heading. And what we can see here, looking at again 15-minute chart, here is we can see that lower time frame price action. Here is a pretty strong bounce consolidation, and again another bounce pullback. The market is forming series of higher high and higher low, which is currently in an uptrend. And in this uptrend, we can expect on XAUUSD to continue to rise to create a new higher high. We can see the trend is up and is still pushing high, and we may see that the price moving up and pushing back to the upside to create a new higher high. Let's see where it might be heading, and based on the price action confirmation, we can look for potential trading opportunity in this market. Okay, so let's see here on the lower time frame. If you look at the 5 minutes, we can see that locally it is moving up here with this bounce, and with that bounce from here on the lower time frame, XAUUSD has made this move, and we can expect for the market to continue to rise to create a new higher high. We can see the lower time frame price action is significantly bullish at the moment on XAU USD. This is the 1 minute chart, and we can see that in this lower time frame the trend is up, and we might see that further continuation. As we If we look at the historical perspective in this market, it's a monthly. If you look at the monthly, we can see that it is a long-term bull market, and in this long-term bull market we can expect for this price to continue to rise to create a new higher high. Thank you. Boss will go. Thank you very much. Welcome. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Hi, coach. How are you? Thank you very much. Please, how can I join your WhatsApp group, please? Prosper Yomo. Currently, we have few spots left to join the mentorship. So, and also this week we had a huge promotion to join in the academy. If you guys haven't checked out, I would highly recommend to join the free Telegram. You can find link below this video. In the free Telegram channel, there is information how you can join the academy this week with promotion. I've given a link of the free Telegram channel in the description, also I can share with you in the live chat. You can stay connected by joining the free Telegram channel, where you can find all information how you can join, or you can visit the website www.forextradingwizard.com. So you can visit the website www.forextradingwizard.com to find out more on all the courses, strategies, as well as ideas that we are sharing in the academy. So visit www.forextradingwizard.com to trade with the trend. If you guys are really, really passionate about trading with the trend, learning the real strategy, then check out the website where you can find everything that you need to become a trader, a better trader. That we are working every single day in the academy to help every member coming in contact with. So now let's look at after this XAUUSD 1 minute chart. We have seen that bounce, and if I look at this one here, this is the 1 hour chart, and with this 1 hour chart we can see that there is a potentially again another bounce, and in this uptrend what we can see that the market basically moving back with a stronger momentum. The price is up and expecting for the market to continue to rise to create a new high. And also there is a CAD news coming later today, and with that CAD news what we can expect for the market also to remain to the upside to create a new higher high. Okay, so looking at the 1 minute chart again, it's we can see that there is a consolidation here, and then breakdown, false breakdown, and the market is trending again. And with that trend we might see that the price is keep pushing back to the upside to create a new higher high. Let's see how far it might be going, and based on that we can look for entry opportunity in the market. Patience is key. And thank you guys for your support to the channel. I appreciate your support, and if you haven't smashed the like button yet, also I would highly appreciate if you like this stream, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. every day I do share many of valuable content, strategies, analysis. So if you subscribe to the channel, you can uh, join, you can learn and grow as a trader with me every single day. Now, if we look at the daily chart again, we can see that from the daily, you guys have seen the analysis as well. We have seen that after break of this low, the market in fact then reversed from that level again, and currently it's in a very strong uptrend. And let's see where we can find potential entry. If you look at the 30 minutes, we can see that after break of this swing low, it's again bouncing back to the upside. 30 minutes price action is also bullish, and from the if we look at the 30 minutes, this is the support level on this lower time frame. If we look at the 1 minute, where we can see that the market in this 1 minute chart, this is where this is a support where there is a liquidity grab here, and with the liquidity grab we can see there's also support here. Currently, as you can see, after multiple liquidity trigger in this market, it's now trying to push back to the upside, and we may see that it's just keep pushing up and up to create a new higher high. We'll see how far it might be heading, and based on that we can look for entry opportunity in the market. Okay, so 30 minutes price action, we can see that a candle closing on the 30 minutes, and this is a if we look at here, guys, look at, you can see the market trend is up, and with that uptrend, what we can expect for this market to continue to rise to create a new higher high. So a candle closing on this lower time frame, I will be interested to put a buy stop in this market, as we can see that the market trend is up. So I will place a buy stop, as I will be also explaining the strategy behind. So we might need to put a little bigger stop loss. So make sure, guys, you always do the risk management. Without risk management, no trade is possible. So we will be targeting to daily 20 EMA level, and this trade is based on 30 minutes price action. We see the bullish engulfer, so we are placing this one as a pending order, so which is a buy stop at 2636.64, very near. Stop loss at 2631.82, so which will be targeting 49 to 50 pip stop loss, and TP target at 2649.95. This is the level that we are looking at on XAU USD for potential entry, and this is a buy stop, not a market order. So though near, but still there is a few pip left. Thank you. And also, I'm sharing the same trade in the community for those who want to be part of the trading. You can look at that. So placed a buy stop on XAU USD, and with that buy stop, what expecting on gold is for the market to um, to trigger and then to bounce. If we look at the 30 minutes price action, we can see that a bullish engulfer has formed, and based on that, the trade is the pending order is placed on, still not triggered, and you guys see the black screen. Thank you. I'm late in my entry, so I might need to go with instant market order. So it's active trade now at the moment, and yeah. So after yesterday's session, we have opened one trade today. And I absolutely, appreciate your support, guys. Every single day, posting all the trade and everything. And if you guys are enjoying the live session every day, then don't miss out any piece of any of the session. Also, make sure you like the stream. I see the likes is almost 1/5 of the view. So if you guys like the stream, will be helpful for the channel, as well as also it helps me to motivate to create more and more content, as well as the educational ideas. So we see some rejection here. Make sure you do proper risk management. Anything can happen in trading, as you know that it's all about probability. So we'll be looking at that here. So what's might be is this trying to pull back deeply, or see what happening 15 minutes, a bullish movement. Would like to see a breakout. We have bought from the higher high. Thank you. Yes, XAUSD, we bought it. Thank you very much. I said it to you. Thank you for your compliment, but I will be happy to see you guys doing well as a trader rather than saluting me. But thanks for that. The main goal here as a trader is to help traders. So make sure you always focus on learning, growing as a trader. Don't miss out also any content that I'm posting every day. Also over the weekend, a lot of content that I'm posting. So make sure, guys, also you do proper risk management when you are opening the trade. And here what we can see, a bounce. we can see a massive liquidity grab here, bounce, pullback, and the market is currently moving up, and we may see that potential continuation. So we are on buy trade on XAUSD. So music, isn't it? Want to see that it's bouncing from this level, moving up and going to the top to create a new higher high. So want to see that it's moving back up and then creating a new higher high. We need to see trend continuation, which is very important to see. If you guys enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up and give a feedback also. George, welcome. Who knows? Good evening. How often do you stream? Do you session? Do every single day? Every single day. Okay. Every single day in London time, New York session time. Stay tuned, as well as the live analysis that I'm posting every day, including very important lesson over the weekend as well. I've joined your Telegram group. What should I do next? Okay, so once you're on the Telegram group, see the messages given, current offer running on. Straight away, take that opportunity, as the offer may not remain longer. So you can see a link given in the free Telegram channel, guys. You can use that. This week's exclusive opportunity to join the academy. So we see that trend continuation. We can see the bounce here. We can see the market is moving up, and there's a long wick here. The price is forming series of higher low formation in that area, and expecting it to continue to trend in the direction to create a new higher high. Yes, it's a live trade. Just now has opened after yesterday's gold trade that we have closed. Thank you very much. And locally we can see some dodgy formation here. And we can see the 1 minute potential liquidity candle formation here, and the liquidity candle might bring the price back to the upside. Now if we turn on our TF indicator, we see that there is a bullish signal here, but we are on a trade, so we'll keep it as it is. By the way, if you don't have access to the TF indicator, then you can let us know using the contact us page. If you are our member in the academy, you can get access to this week all the tools that I have, including the TF indicator, which is the trend following indicator. If you want to trade with the trend, also visit the website www.forextradingwizard.com to find out more about how to learn to trade with the trend and to grow as a trader in the academy. TP, for the time being, we placed it at this level, 2649.95. It might change along the way. And also at the end of the session, yesterday we had one lucky winner has got access to the academy completely for free, including all the tools that we have. Today also one lucky winner from this live session will get access to free. So make sure you stick till the end to join in the competition to get access to the academy for the rest of your life. Now the last moment, the price action, I didn't like that here, but what you can see, 30 minutes. Why is rejection again? Come on. Okay, so you can see there is a break here. This is an unusual break here. We'll see where it is heading. And like that break. Might just return again, giving a little bit of what I would say that a break of the structure. And if you look at here, it's now below the support. We can see some kind of bullish move coming here. Expecting a trend continuation. If it breaks below, then we might be exiting the trade. That I wouldn't like it to drop again. Okay, so here is what you can see. There is a break of structure, which I was expecting it to remain bullish, but let's see. Here we can see that there is a consolidation pattern, and with that consolidation, if it is a reversal, then we might see that moving back in that direction. That's what you can expect it to, for the market to do that. And with that in mind, this is there's a break of structure here. Okay, now this candle is 1 minute doji, which is, we see that there is a rejection. Now this rejection is continuing to the upside. We can expect for the market to move back in the major direction. If it is breaking below, which will be unfortunate, but if it is not being able to break below, we might see rejection here. But we see that there is a breakdown, and see there is a trend indicator. Okay, expecting it to reverse from this level. If it is reversing, then we can expect for the market trend to continue to rise to the upside. Thank you. Okay, we are seeing some improvement in the price action again, and if it is bouncing, then we should see trend continuation potentially, because there is a liquidity grab here. Sound is too loud, isn't it? Some quietness. Thank you. Summary, not bad. Okay, so wanting to see that the market slowly reverting back to the upside, and this is an important level that we can look at. If it is breaking above, then we can expect for the market to continue to rise to the upside to create a new higher high. Okay, we can see the price is crossing that level, crossing the threshold, and going into the profit zone. We'll be holding it to see how far it is ranging. Thank you. Okay, we can see the market basically from here improving to the upside, which is trending. If you guys are with me, make sure you give a thumbs up, smash it. I'll be the winner today. That's a good spirit. TP. Still, gold can be bullish. Yeah, we can see that bullish, and we are on the track. Just give it little time. Market open in 8 minutes. Should we buy now? Okay, so we are on trade. We are on bullish trade. Thank you. And every single minutes trying to form bullish price action here. Okay, so there is a bullish engulfer here with a liquidity trigger in that area. And with that in mind, we can see the market basically in an uptrend from here, a big bounce, and expecting for the market to continue to rise to create a new higher high. And we can see the trend is up and expecting it to keep pushing up in the major direction of the trend. So 30 minutes we have seen after this bullish engulfer a doji, which is for me potential trend continuation. So expecting it to bounce, holding it to have further um, rise on pricing. So joining the live session, absolutely appreciate your support to the channel. I wanna see again breaking below. Wanna see trend continuation. I want to see a long week doji, which is important to see that a rejection here and then continuation to the upside to create a new higher high. With this doji formation, expecting for the market to trend, and you see that there is a doji also here, and we can expect for the market to remain bullish. You might see some deeper liquidity gap here. we can see that there is a doji here, long wick candle, expecting it to return back to the upside. Multiple liquidity grab here, and with that multiple liquidity grab, we can expect for the market to move back to the upside to create a new higher high. You guys with me? We can see some doji formation, expecting for the market to trend to the upside. Thank you. Well done, well done. Thank you very much. Okay, we can see trend continuation, and we may see that keep pushing back to the upside. And thanks for your support, guys. Absolutely appreciate. Join the free Telegram channel as well. This week we had a huge promotion going on, so don't miss out. Join that so that you can get access to all the information, that how you can access to all of this. Okay, expecting it to remain bullish to the upside. Thank you. Welcome. Yep, we are still on it. Market button open. Coach, please, why did you choose buy strategy? Well, because it's in a bull market, the trend locally, we see that from the daily, we have seen once the market opened from here, there is a bounce. And as the market had a bounce, we can expect it to go up and to retest the daily 20 EMA. But we'll see, anytime we could see that the other directional breakdown. But at the moment, what we have seen that the market trend is potentially bullish, and after the big drop on the daily, the market trending, and we may see that ultimately it's creating back to the daily resistance line, and where we might see the price is heading, grabbing the liquidity and forming a price action confirmation, and we'll be looking into that as soon as we will find it. Thank you. We are still on top of our entry. Okay. Now, if the market is breaking above, we will find a swing low. In that case, we will be able to bring the stop loss and entry at the not at the moment. First, let's wait for the market to potentially break to the upside again to continue its uptrend. Thank you. It's approaching that entry, and there is the negative point here is that it's again breaking below. You want to see that trend continuation. Familiar music, repetition. you guys enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up. And now the question is, we can see it's a bounce, and from this level expecting it to return in the direction. Okay, the market getting some rejection here, which is good news for us to see that it's bouncing back up. And okay, so we see long week candle, which is sign of potential bounce. And if we see that significant bounce, we can bring the stop loss below this level. Now with this long week candle here, okay, expecting it to return, and okay, so we can expect for the market to forming series of higher low. Doji formation. And yeah, with this doji getting some potential upside here, just needed to see that it's trending. Otherwise we might need to exit the trade if we see reversal, but I am still holding. I think we may see still continuation to the upside. Okay, multiple doji formation. Now we see that it's slowly trying to break out. This is really weird to see if it is breaking below, which is not expected. Want to see that it's bouncing at it has grab liquidity. The trend is still up. All right, so we are up on this. And in the meantime, if you are enjoying the live session, don't miss out to smash the like button. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, you you can do so. There's a lot to take from here, from this channel. This is a bad breakdown that we see again. It's not expected. Now, wait a minute, it will be 4 hour. Okay. We might need to close this one break even. We see there is a breakdown, which is a sign of further downside potentially. So we have to exit the trade. It's not a good one now. It's got a rejection. So I'm exiting the trade, and also I'll be sharing the channel. It's in PUP minus. We need to get rid of this trade, as we can see that there is a unusual breakdown, and that might lead now for deeper pullback. Okay, so yeah, this is it failed to create a higher high. Because it is getting a rejection, we might see now this directional drop. So once we find further confirmation, if we delete this, we can see that currently the market again breaking below. It might now retest the 4 hour support again, or breaking this low, and then we could see that after break of this low or the 4 hour support, we might see that the market is rejecting again towards the upside. That could be the situation on XAUUSD. As you can see, it's getting a rejection. That might lead that price back to the support level. There is no point of still holding the trade. So it might return from this level, but it has got a very sharp rejection. It might drop again. So I will not be on this trade anymore at the moment. But we will be waiting for, there's a dollar CAD news coming in just a matter of 10 minutes. So we'll be looking at that. So if we look at dollar CAD as well, let's see what's happening with the dollar CAD as with the news. Dollar CAD, we have seen a couple of dodgy formation after this breakdown. From the daily, there is a daily drop, and at the moment, if we look at the overall trend on dollar CAD, is a bull market from here. We have seen that pullback, and from here we could see that dollar CAD is again trending towards the upside. So from the 4 hour time frame on dollar CAD, we can see that this is the drop here on the 4 hour on dollar CAD, and with that multiple long week candle formation on dollar CAD, we can expect for this market to bounce again, and I think that it may continue to rise again to create a new higher high on dollar CAD. Here is a long consolidation, and with this consolidation, there's a doji here. We can expect dollar CAD to trend in that direction as news is coming in 10 minutes. I think that if we see the dollar CAD break below, grab liquidity, we may see that it's continuing to the upside again with a stronger momentum. See how far it might be going. Based on that, we can look for any entry. If there is, we will be looking at that. So going back to XAUUSD, it has got a rejection again, which is very unusual. You can see that it's breaking below. We are out of the trade, and that might lead that price again to the support level. And after break of the support, we could see that again, potential rejection. In the meantime, yesterday we got one lucky winner that have joined the academy. We will be taking one more member today from this giveaway. So coming up, the giveaway, we will be writing the keyword on the giveaway as Forex, and you guys can write on the live chat to enter into the competition for the giveaway until the music is on. And let's keep starting. We found three eligible members to join to enter into the competition. While we see that say USD from the support level getting some rejection. You can write that one on that keyword, saying that 4 eligible members. You guys can write that 4 eligible users. You can write the keyword Forex, Forex, to enter into the competition for the giveaway. Thank you. We found 6 eligible members. Guys, don't miss out to write that keyword to enter into the competition for joining the academy. As soon as the music finish, we will be rolling it up. Eight eligible users to enter into the competition. Thank you. 9 eligible members in the competition. So you can write that keyword Forex. We are nearing to the rolling up. So you still can write keyword Forex. You can see some consolidation here on XAUSD while we are going for the giveaway. So you still have time to enter into the competition. We found, I think it's not updating most likely fully, but we will take from here. Thank you very much. Rolling it up and thank you. And Connect David is today's lucky winner for joining the academy. Congratulations. The only thing that you need is you can visit the website www.forextradingwizard.com. Once you're on the website, scroll down below where you can find the contact us page. Let us know that you are the winner of the liquidity strategy as well as trend following strategies in the academy, and you can be a part of the academy. Just let us know so that you can receive your pack on your email. So with that being said, thank you very much for joining this live session. I'll be coming on live again very soon in a couple of hours tomorrow again. Until then, stay well, stay happy. We'll see you soon.